Oh, it's coming close to me. Don't... Oh, that's nice. Reverse there. Both gone so wide there. You came into that backwards.
Turning. Oi! Better wait for me after that. Oh, you pushed me over there.
Red XRT. We're going to put something different in it today. What do you think it's going to be? It is a Aliexpress cheapy, but very powerful, apparently, 80 kg servo. If you've seen the previous videos, we changed the steering in it. We put the alloy steering. In fact, the old one is there. I will try and leave a card up there so you can see what we did there. And it improved it. I didn't tighten the servo saver up enough, but the steering still wasn't certainly quite as responsive as I'd like it. Not paying £200 for an AGF servo. So, we have found these on Aliexpress. 60 quid, I think it was, posted to the UK. So we're going to fit it in this truck. I'm not going to do the process of fitting it. If you want to know how to fit a new servo in these, or a 1/5 servo like this, then I'll leave a link down below in the description, or I'll possibly even put a link up there if I'm really clever. So it'll probably just be down there. And we're going to fit this and we'll see what it's like. I have to say, guys, value wise, this is pretty good. Look, we get the servo, obviously it's a 1/5 scale servo. We get a metal round horn, a metal normal straight horn, which we'll probably use. We get the grommets in there, and there's also a spare gear set, which I'm not sure if that's good or bad. Are they expecting the gears to strip easily, or is that just a nice spare? Not sure on that. We'll have to see. But let's get it fitted and see what it's like. Right, guys, so here we go. Servo test in the red XRT. There we go. It's not too bad. Bear in mind, it's only a $50, $60 Aliexpress servo. This one is obviously, it is quicker, but it is 200 quid, Matt?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is obviously a lot more money. But let's see, in and run around, what difference it makes. Already it feels better than the other servo I had in it. But how long will it last? Right, ready?
Yep. Oh, hold on. Yeah. No. What are we doing?
What?
Oh no, sorry, we go round that one,
Round
and
that
then
one,
over
back
to
to
you.
here.
Careful.
Yeah?
Well, we're going over to you. Straight towards you. Move a cone so you've got a kink.
Put a cone here.
Yeah. Yeah. Even then, we've still got to be a bit careful.
Right.
Right then.
We've cheaped out with the little cones today. We perhaps could have done with them. Oh well. Let's see what happens. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Because you've got the power off the line. The sweeper here somewhere.
Oh, I completely forgot where to
wait
go.
for him. He's gone completely
First time we've done this track, and
wrong.
I'm clearly not used to it.
Definitely so much better than the servo. I'm a little bit concerned how long it'll last.
No grip on the dirt.
But I won't spend £200 on the servo.
Right, try and get this right this time.
Cut back here. Oh, it's coming close to me.
You nearly run yourself over, didn't you?
Don't want to knock myself over again. That was a year or so ago. Oh, Cameron nearly got. Last lap. Oh, he's got the power.
Oh, did you brake or something? I wasn't expecting that.
No, you just got more power.
I was just rolling. I wasn't even on the throttle at that point. Yeah, I'd claim that one.
Some questionable
I tell you what, though,
lines.
I'm struggling with stupid steering lock again. I think it's just the weight of the beast. It is. No, it is.
You've got the power, you can just gun it.
Yeah, I'm turning off my TSM for a second.
You ready?
Yep.
A bit closer. Go on then. 3, 2, 1, go. It's heading towards me already. Oh, I was not letting up the inside there. No, just take it steady, dude. Just take it steady.
It's a tiny old course for these
Pick it
big
round
trucks.
there. Yes. Take that. Up to here. Nice. It's not really a
Got to
sweep
back
of that
in a
course.
little.
It's working out more sort of a
Oh, dear.
hairpin almost. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that cone's been hit. That wasn't me. That was not me, that cone. Those ones weren't
Right,
they?
there.
Might have got that cone. Haven't hit any down here yet. I can hear him hurtling down the straight.
Yeah. I tell you, I'm not loving
Don't really know where to go there
the
now.
steering. I don't know what's going on.
Is there one more of that?
Right, well, you've obviously won that one. I'm still not convinced about this. Hold on. At low speed, it seems fine.
Problem? The old steering problem?
Yeah, look at that. That's full lock.
Off and on. Try off and on first.
How's yours feeling, though?
Oh yeah, it's a lot better.
Because this is the first time you've driven with this servo, isn't it?
Other way round?
Yep.
Let's mind the camera.
Yes.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Tearing down there. Oh, mind the camera. The hairpin here somewhere.
The tyres are ripping up the ground.
No line from either of us there. It went a bit all over the place. All over the place. Full
Still
lock.
don't like tight corners, do they?
Cut
It's
back.
not really.
There we go.
Oh, stupid steering.
Didn't really want to go into there. Is your steering still playing up? Dust, grass, cones. Here we go, down the straight. Oh, camera! I really made that into such a hairpin. Nice drift for the blue truck.
Did I cover you in dust enough? I did my best. Oh, he really wants the outside line.
I'll go on the inside. Well, you're in the middle. There we
Am
go.
I? Sorry.
Right. I've got no brakes. Right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! You're all sideways and everything. Oh God, we both gone so wide there. You came into that backwards. I just tapped that cone and that one. I'm getting on down that end yet. That should be a swing. Oh, I've got a cone. I moved it, don't worry. Just put it there for you to hit the next lap. Tying in there. He has got some steering problems on the blue truck. Let's see if we can. I mean, it's dust. Up the inside, yeah. There's a cone here somewhere. Oh, we've got it.
It's so hard to do a longer corner. I'm just flicking and braking and... Oh, there! It just won't turn! Well, that was...
Right. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go, right. Let's let him go out in front. Up the inside here, shall we? He's coming towards me.
Just not turning. Oi! Better
Well,
wait for me after that. Bit
Right,
cheeky,
we'll go
wasn't
around
it?
this then.
Oh.
He's still in a car.
Just can't turn. Coming.
Oh, I feel a bit bad. No, I don't. Here we go. Flick it in here. Here we go. Up here.
Oh, I can't turn left at all. Honestly, it's crazy.
I think he is. Blue truck is hampered by his steering. I'll go where that cone sort of was. I did wait for him, so even if he wins, it's a hollow victory.
When you can't turn, it just makes everything harder. It's just a... Oh.
Where's the cone gone? I'll go... Well... There was
Yeah,
a
I might have
cone
moved a
there.
couple of tones. Is that it? I think it is. Oh, this is a really hard job to get this round corners.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Come on then. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he's all over. She's all over the place down the straight.
Yeah, God damn it.
My steering is...
Oh, you pushed me over there.
I was watching the blue track.
Oh, done it again.
He's got the cone again. Right. Need to get on it a bit now. Here we go, right. Let's have it. It's so slow down the straight. We have got some things going to be coming on the red truck soon. Right. Oh, right.
Catching
One
me
lap
up.
shootout. I think he's got this one. I think he has got it. I want to make up nicely around that corner. We'll cover the inside. Oh, I could just a little tap there,
Oh, I
couldn't I?
can't turn at all. Oh. That's it, I think. Oh, I'm stuck there.
So guys, we forgot to do our usual summary film at the end of our running, that little cringy bit which I know you all love, but I'm going to do it here now anyway. So what did we learn on that servo? For $50–60, it's a bloody bargain. It worked really well, no issues with it. It's not as fast as a 200 AGF servo, but it's a quarter of the price. Reliability, we don't know, but it seemed to run flawlessly here. Had a little check over it when we got back, and it seems fine. So I think that's a win. We'll leave a link to it down below if any of you want to give it a go. Leave us a comment if you've tried any of these, and we'll be back again soon.